Today we're here at the Career Inspiration Center. The purpose of this program is to offer students life after high school, see what's out there, get them encouraged early to have a career in a field. Just like the jobs and career out there, the Career Inspiration Center is always evolving. Our first cohort we do is technology, followed by medical and healthcare. Currently, we're in the midst of our agriculture manufacturing, where students get to do virtual welding with the Oculus, work 3D printing, vet tech with mannequin dogs, and an anatomosh table that shows the anatomy of dogs.
I know that in my future, I really want to get into agriculture and ag mechanics, and so welding with the Oculus really helped me with that because it went through all the procedures and it really taught me other ways to weld other than in person.
The Career Inspiration Center really just allows kids to explore diverse career opportunities and get them thinking about what they're interested in, what they might be passionate about that they didn't know about previously. And so our hope is just to sort of expose them to new things.
I think that this experience is really important. For example, we can dissect a frog, but we don't really have to do it in person anymore. We could use technology and work our way through it.